Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another Jake Music Man Reacts. Today we are actually watching a guaranteed request. You can make these requests through my link tree, and I'll make sure to put that down in the description. This is the Hoover High School Marching Band. I have never watched a show before by them, so I'm super excited, and let's get right into it.
Just three stories. The first story is about connecting the dots.
Connecting the dots, cool. I really like the staging with the guard in the middle and the pink with the band around the outside. That was cool.
Believing that the dots will connect down the road will give you the confidence to follow your heart, even when it leads you off the well-worn path, and that will make all the difference.
Ooh. Looks like 3 players down there. Sounds really nice. Oh, nice. Whoa. Really well done. Opening moment here from the flags as well. Horn line, you guys sound great. Nice job, Mellows. Whoa. Nice job. I think I heard a trumpet a little early there on that last chord. Happens, you guys sound great. Let's connect some dots. Really intriguing part that just came out of the pit there. Nice. Nice job. Ooh. Nice job. The end of that was really good trumpets. The entrance of the low brass was solid too. Nice job. Dynamics. Good job. Nice job. I like that percussion writing up to the release. That was cool. Really nice sound, Woodwinds. Not an easy passage. Nice. Really being drawn in by a lot of these flag moments. It's really good. Nice job again, percussion. Nice. Cool effect with the visuals there. Everyone seems to be pretty in tune with the visuals, but also playing wise too. I think the wind is messing with the mics a little bit. Really nice moment, horn line. Pretty well balanced for a quieter, why can't I think of the word? A quieter dynamic. Nice. been a lot of really good small ensemble and solo moments too.
You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards.
The little bit of info I got is that that's actually excerpts from Steve Jobs' speech, so that's pretty cool. Nice job. Solid brass. Nice. Good job, rifles, too. I really like the sound coming out of this woodwind section. Very rich. Very well done. Trombones. Gotta have those glissandos. Oof, that's hard. Moving that set across the field like that. Nice flags. Nice job. Connecting the dots. Nice job, Pitt. That was a really, really nice way to end the show. All right. I think that's the end. Yep,
Ladies
sure
and gentlemen, the Hoover
is.
High School competition
Well, that was really
band.
enjoyable. I had a lot of fun watching that. It's really nice to see programs in schools that I don't see. I feel like there's a lot of schools, you know, that everyone knows, and there's a lot of talent out there that I feel like goes maybe unrecognized, at least on like the national level. Being from Michigan, I've never heard of this school before, so it's really awesome seeing stuff like this. Do not hesitate to reach out and suggest me to react to schools, because a lot of the times, I mean, yes, I'm drawn towards the groups that I know and recognize, but a lot of the times I want to see schools I haven't seen before. So that being said, again, this was a guaranteed reaction. If you want to check that out and support the channel, I'll put the link down in the description. If not, that's fine. You can check out my TikTok, try to make requests on there, but most of the requests that I actually do are through my Instagram direct message. So if you have a video you would like me to react to, go ahead and send a link over to my Instagram DM and I'll try to get to as many as I can. But as far as Hoover High School, that was a really great, well put together show. It sounded like you guys were fighting with a little bit of wind, which kind of sucks, but being out on a football field in the fall, you never know what kind of weather you're going to deal with, and a lot of the times you're just lucky to actually be out there and compete, because a lot of competitions get rained out and that's just not fun, but it's part of the reality. But you guys did an absolutely awesome job. The narration was really cool. The music sounded great. The props were cool. Overall, really, really enjoyed that, and I hope you all did as well. I will be heading to Grand Nationals here in less than a month. I'm going to be seeing so many incredible schools there, and it's going to be such a great time. If you're going to be there, let me know below in the comments whether you're performing or going to be a spectator like me. It's going to be a great time. I am. It's been a long day. I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed this. It was such a great time watching, and I will see all of you wonderful people in the next reaction video.